Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A sergeant of the Jamaica Fire Brigade staged a one-man protest this morning, risking life and jobs to highlight what he says is a need for the Jamaica Fire Brigade to change its work shift arrangement to better suit rank-and-file employees. We have more in this report.
Upset and frustrated with the management of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Leo Bennett, a sergeant of the brigade, armed with the Jamaican flag, took to the streets to vent his grouse, the 8-hour work shift contained in the Jamaica Fire Brigade Regulation Act that firefighters now work. He wants the brigade to revert to the 24-hour shift system, which was implemented in March at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. After it ends, firefighters get the following 3 days off. To Mr. Bennett, that system makes more economic sense.
24 hours work shift. That is what the rank and file members want, need, and desire to work and serve Jamaica more efficiently. Why saddle us with the burdensome high gas price coming to work every day of our life? It's 365 and 366 days. A rank and file operational firefighter has to be in the precinct at the station every day. I don't think anybody else in the world now does that. Even God Almighty take a day for himself.
Mr. Bennett, who works at the Halfway Tree Fire Station, demonstrated in front of the domes on Hagley Park Road where the managers are stationed.
Numerous petitions have gone around to the stations. Hard copies, digital copies, expressing the need for firefighters to have this work format. The management, the union, I don't know about the government much, they choose to disregard our voice.
He says he's fully aware such a move could land him in trouble with the brigade.
I am prepared to take one for the team.
General Secretary of the Jamaica Association of Local Government Officers, Jalgo Evelyn Davis White, in response said she has been talking to the brigade's management about implementing the work shift, since it appears the majority of the firefighters are in favor of it.
I would almost say it will almost be very close to 100% that would want it to remain. But it is not something that can be negotiated only with the Fire Brigade administration, because, as I say, it's something that is provided for in law. So it has to be something that you have the discussions, and if you are going the route of doing the amendments, you have to involve the minister, and the Ministry of Local Government is likely that is something that would have to be discussed at Cabinet. It's also likely that it's something that would have to be discussed through the Ministry of Labour, because, you know, the Flexi Work Arrangements Act actually puts a cap on the total number of hours that any worker is supposed to work without it attracting premium time.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.